We're now going to be installing the hinge panel. You'll know the hinge panel because it has a handle on it. This is the bottom hinge block. It's got a permanently fixed hinge pin. This is the top hinge block. It has a pin with a small Allen head that allows it to go up and down. We're now going to be putting in the bottom hinge pin. You'll notice that it fits right in the hole. We're now going to put the top hinge pin into the top hinge pin hole with an Allen key. We are now going to adjust the hinge panel jamb. I have pre-marked where the holes are in the jamb, so when I shim, the jamb is square. Now we will secure the hinge side jamb with suitable fixings. If done properly, the hinge side jamb should have an even reveal at the bottom, top, and center, and all secure points.